So that's where it should be to grind it.
Yeah.
And if I do it, we'll send it back out ready. That's about the best I can get.